Hello everyone, welcome to KD Jayakody YouTube channel or TikTok channel. Today I'm going to teach you about how you can use some AI tools for your productivity. Okay, first of all, I would like to say, I would like to go with ChatGPT. Yeah, first go to Google and then search as ChatGPT. Then you will be able to get this link here. Okay, you have to click on this login button, or if you need, you can use this ChatGPT option here. By the way, I'm going to give you another trick that you can use if you already logged into ChatGPT now. So if you need to create a new account, so you can use the incognito mode of the Google Chrome or Firefox. Okay, in the Firefox it says I think private mode, but in Google Chrome you will be able to see like this. Just click on these three dots and then you will be able to see new incognito window here. By using Control Shift and N, then you will be able to get the incognito window. Now you can search as google.com, then Google search engine will come, and now you have to search ChatGPT here. Just remember, anything you search on here, okay, they won't save. I mean, whether you search about cat, whether you search about something, nothing will be saved here. Okay, by the way, now I'm going to click on this ChatGPT, then I will be able to go to the chat.openai.com login page. This is not the login page, this is the welcome page. However, if I click on this ChatGPT here, okay, now I'm in the normal browser, so I will be directed to the dashboard. Dashboard means the main location after the login to the system. Okay, now I'm using this incognito window here to demonstrate you about ChatGPT. First of all, you need to have account, right? Okay, for that you have to click on this login button, then you will be able to create a new account. Okay, wait until I see this. Okay, cool. Now you can click on this continue with Google. Okay, just click on continue with Google, then you will be able to sign in using your email address and password, then you will be able to create a account. That's all. Okay, then after that you will be able to use this ChatGPT 3.5 model here. So you can see I already got GPT-4 with DALL-E and browsing and analysis limit 40 messages, blah blah blah. Okay, it's okay. Actually, GPT-4 has a limit that's called 40 messages per 3 hours. So if you type something, maybe just think you are aggressive one. Okay, you type so many things in 3 hours, so you have a limit with 40 messages. Okay, in 3 hours you can only use 40 messages if you got GPT-4, but GPT 3.5 you can use this unlimited. That's all. By the way, if you are coder, then I really recommend ChatGPT than Google Gemini, because I'm very I just got so many advantages by using ChatGPT 3.5 model, sometimes better than GPT-4. Okay, it's my opinion, just my opinion, better than GPT-4 sometimes, because GPT-4 always looking for some critical answers, but 3.5 is just checking the output. That's all. Okay, checking the input and output. That's all. Okay, guys. So this is how you can get a ChatGPT new session here. Okay, by clicking on this, you will be able to get a new session. Now you have to type something here. Just type write a story about elephant. Okay, then enter, then you will be able to get a story about an elephant. That's all. Okay, so this is about the gentle giant's journey and in the heart of blah blah blah. So this is so cool, right? So this is called creative writing. By the way, you will be able to get a story about elephant. So if you are going to write a story book, then you can use this tool to get the quality idea, and then you can change it manually. So without changing manually, don't do that. Okay, so if you need to write a book, so use ChatGPT, but you have to change so many things with your own words. That's all. Okay, like we do in assignments, you have to do so many manual things. Even you got so many AI tools out there. Okay, by the way, now just think you need to write an email. So if you need to change the subject, then you have to get another one. Okay, I mean another session by clicking on this. So then you will be able to get a new session here. Okay, sorry. Now you can see in the new session, I'm going to type as write an email to ask a book from friend. Okay, just a random topic. Write an email to ask a book from friend. Just enter. Okay, I got a puzzle here. By the way, you can select the direction. Okay, submit. Oh no, because I got a call. So then something happened. So I have to pass this definitely. And let's see. Okay. Oh, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Now he's typing what? Ask a book from friend. I hope this email finds you well, and I trust you enjoy your week so far. Your week so far. I'm reaching blah 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 blah. Okay, good. So you have to change only these things: title of the book and friend's name, and so you got a sample, right? You got a sample. You got a template. So now you have to edit them by, maybe if you need to get this, just copy this by Control C and open a Word document. Then you can go to Word document and then just paste the things by using what? Control V. That's all. Okay. But if you use the Control V, then it will actually it will paste all the formatting. So when you paste something here, you have to click on this paste option here, and then you can click on this one. You can see keep text only. Okay. So by using this, you will be able to save, actually you will be able to paste all the text you copied without formattings. Formattings means no bolds, no italics, no underlines, nothing. Okay, actually just click on this and then you can remove all the spaces here. Okay, just by using the delete button here, then you can remove all the spaces. Okay, cool. Now you have to format everything by using your manual process. So here friend's name, so I'm going to say Kavindu Dilshan here, and then come on, that's all. Okay, like this you can edit and then you can send the email as you need. Now I'm going to close this. Then actually I'm going to show you about Jedi AI. Okay, actually Jedi AI is a very cool platform here. So you can use Jedi AI generative AI workspace, not like ChatGPT. So the same features have, but actually this is a different thing. So you can use this like a whiteboard. That's all. Okay, by using login button here, so you can get into the Jedi AI. So then you can use actually there are new workspaces. Okay, I mean you can get a new workspace, then you can use it as a maybe to draw something, maybe to get some ideas, to arrange some ideas, to draw something. Actually I already said that. Okay, no worries. By the way, now I think, wait, my internet speed is too high, sorry. Let's see. Hello my internet, where are you? This is a live video. This is actually, I don't cut anything here, so that's why. Okay. Okay, by the way, now I got a cheap plan here on Jedi AI. So if you are a new user on Jedi AI, so then you have to use only 7 days free trial. Okay, so you got a free trial, so you can use for 7 days. By the way, after that, if you are satisfied, then you can get the cheaper plan. I think it's about $30+ like that. And also you can get a pro plan. Okay, it's about I think $10. Okay, so they are already deducted the pricing. Okay, and anyways, here new workspace, you can click on this new workspace, then you will be able to get a new workspace here, and then you can get the pencil or brush here, and then you can draw anything. Okay, so if you like, actually if you like to draw, then you can draw, and if you need to have a pen, then you can draw something like that. But this is not the thing that Jedi can do. Okay, here you can see some universal analysis, mind maps, flowcharts, wireframes, text, sticky notes, arts, and data GPT and document GPT. I will definitely get a point for you about their GPT and document GPT. But for now, I'm going to select this, and then I will say Control A. I will select Control A and delete button to delete every object I could draw before. Now I'm going to click on this mind map option here, and then I'm going to ask about Charles Babbage. Just remember, when selecting the mind map, you will get some auto generated prompts. Okay, you can load more. Here you can see business tools, inventory, categorizing technologies used in operations, custom celebration moments, like that. Actually you have to click on this one. Okay, maybe whatever you got, just click on it, and then you can select this click to generate button. That's all. So if you need to edit this, you can type it. Okay, you can manually type it here. This is the mind map. Remote user testing is a method, blah blah blah. So I just ask remote user settings and testing, gathering UX insight from distance. Actually now I'm going to ask about Charles Babbage. Let's I don't know whether it will generate a mind map. By the way, let's ask about Charles Babbage, the father of the computer, right? So I'm going to click to generate. Okay, let's see. It will generate fast. Okay, cool. Charles Babbage was an English inventor. So if you are a student, so this is so valuable, right? Babbage was born on December. So this is a mind map. Okay, simple mind map. You can get a quick idea about maybe a person, about a person, maybe about a subject, whatever you like. Okay. Now I'm going to click on this flowchart here. Okay. By using flowchart, I'm going to use the same prompt I typed before. Charles Babbage. I don't know because Charles Babbage doesn't have a flowchart, but I think it will make your flow. Let's see. I think yeah, it's drawing yet. Wait. Charles Babbage got a flowchart here on Jedi AI. Who is Charles Babbage? A mathematician, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Now I'm going to ask about, actually, wireframe is not a good thing, but you can try it. Now I'm going to use text here and then click to generate. Let's see how it works. So I'm just demonstrate some options here. Okay. Charles Babbage, blah, blah, blah. So like using you using ChatGPT, so you can get so many things. Okay, ChatGPT doesn't have those options. Okay, special. So here you can get all the things like that. Now I'm going to click on this sticky note option. I really like the sticky notes. Let's see about Charles Babbage. Okay, cool. Wait. Where's the last Charles Babbage? Okay, I think something is wrong, but yeah, sticky note. Let's click again. Okay, I just got only one sticky note about Charles Babbage here. Okay, but it's not a good question, right? So I'm going to use a different type of thing. Starting in job interviews, let's see what will be generated here. I think it will generate. Ah, yeah, cool, right? So these are the sticky notes. So you can see starting in job interviews, tips and tricks. So these are the tips and tricks. So you can use sticky notes to get some tips and tricks like that. Okay. By the way, and I'm going to use art here. Charles Babbage. Click to generate. I don't know whether he knows about Charles Babbage, but let's see. Hope AI will know. Jedi AI will know about Charles Babbage. By the way. Okay, it will take some time because it's a photo, but Jedi is so speed. By the way, my connection is so fast. Yeah, opposite. Wait. No cards at all. Okay, this is a live demonstration about ChatGPT and Jedi AI, and also I'm going to show you about some tools that you can use. Wow, this is cool, right? So this is Charles Babbage, but I don't know. I haven't seen him. By the way, this is Charles Babbage. So you can use for a book, maybe whatever you got. Okay. Now, if you're a researcher, so you can use Perplexity here. Perplexity. So this is a cool AI tool that you can use. Perplexity AI. So just click on it, and then you will be able to use this very carefully. Here I'm going to click on this. What is the history of Halloween? And then you will be able to get something about history of the Halloween here. Okay, yeah, I got it. Cool. Actually, the advantage of using Perplexity is you will get some images also. Okay, and I don't know what happened. Let's see how much caffeine is in. Okay, cool. Now I'm getting. So also you will get some resources. Sources means references also. So you can use Reddit, maybe Mecha or something like that. So those are the real references that they got. So I think this is a really cool thing if you are a university student, especially. Okay, you can use this to get more and more about a topic. So just search a topic, then you will get an answer. So you can then actually search about related topics, then you will be able to get more content about that topic also, like that. Okay guys, now for now I think this is enough, and I will be in touch with you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye. Sorry for English. Okay.